Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is the Vauxhall Vivaro Life 2.0 Turbo Elite that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, alongside flexible finance packages available. So to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. You can see the Vauxhall badge sitting proudly in the centre there, offering a very stylish look to the car, and the headlights really do pair well with the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that complements the exterior finish very well while offering a very nice look to the car, and the power folding mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle. Now we also have the electric operating sliding doors, making it easy for you and your passengers. And we also have that stunning upholstery with the leather seats, offering your passengers a very comfortable driving experience. With this van you also get plenty of legroom with the ISO fixed points at the back there and the foldable table, which makes this car perfect for families. Now moving along, this grey finish really does contrast well with the alloy wheels. Now as you access the boot directly, you'll notice it does have a pretty spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like suitcases, prams, and as you can see we have a view of the seats there. We also have some lighting underneath there, so you can see in the dark. And just below that we do have the lashing rings, so if you do have heavy load, this will be quite useful to use. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. Now as we access the front of the van directly, you notice it does have a luxurious interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features. Around you can see more in detail of the upholstery, and we also have the armrest in the centre there for you and your front passengers to enjoy, offering you a very comfortable driving experience. On the side of the seats there is a massage function and the front heated seats for you and your front passengers to enjoy, offering you a very cozy driving experience. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the approved used Vauxhall Vivaro that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the van, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you a comfortable drive. And we also have the headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side. Now once this stunning vehicle comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display. We can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move. And we also have our speed limiter and cruise control systems, so we can stay safe at consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we do have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. We do have our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps. We all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now moving along to the parking sensors, we do have the panoramic rear view camera with the front and rear sensors, ensuring you that safety and confidence throughout your journey, especially when manoeuvring out of those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be relatively tight. Heading into our navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route. It will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling, as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the approved used Vauxhall Vivaro Life that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the car yourself, or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.